Welcome back. In our top business story, the Abu Dhabi municipality has registered a real estate mortgage contract for a privately owned investment company worth $100 million. It is the largest real estate mortgage contract that has been registered this year with the municipality. Statistics show that the value of land traded for the first 10 months of the year hit nearly 41 billion dirhams, with mortgage transactions at around 38 billion. In September, sales and mortgages amounted to over 171 million dirhams and continued the upward trend in October to reach over 282 million. Air Arabia on Tuesday reported an annual 26% decline in its third quarter net profit to 100 million dirhams, meeting analyst forecasts. Revenues of the MENA region's largest low-cost carrier stood at 691 million dirhams, an increase of 22% compared to the same period in 2010. Air Arabia served 1.2 million passengers in the third quarter, a plus of 5%, while its average seat load factor, or passengers carried as a percentage of available seats, stood at 81%. Meanwhile, Abu Dhabi's flagship carrier Etihad Airways operated its first flight to the Maldives yesterday. From now on, Etihad will operate one flight each day to the more than 1,200 island state. The shareholders of Norway's DNO approved the merger with RAK Petroleum on Tuesday after RAK made several concessions to opponents of the deal. They had feared a too powerful RAK in the merged firm and a dilution of their DNO shares. Eventually, though, 76% of all shareholders approved DNO's all-shares purchase of RAK's oil and gas operating subsidiaries. Bijan Mossavar Mouramani, who chairs the boards of both DNO and RAK, said the deal would likely close in early January after RAK's own board in Dubai votes on it. RAK would then receive $250 million worth of DNO shares valued at 9.5 Norwegian crowns per share, increasing its stake in DNO from currently 30% to more than 40%, though he pledged RAK would cut its stake back to 30% by the end of 2012. And let's now look at the stock markets here in the UAE and across the region.